Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The common injuries in ferry accident. Ferry accident can arise due to a mechanical malfunction, speeding, captain inexperience, or inattention. A captain who is under the influence of alcohol or drugs, inadequate safety measures, overloading, and the failure to keep a proper lookouts. This type of accident often lead to serious injuries including spinal cord injuries, brain or head injuries, soft tissue injuries, broken bones, burns, ligament damage, dismemberment. And then about legal option for victim of ferry accident. If you are a ferry worker who has been injured in a ferry accident, you may be able to recover a settlement under the General Maritime Law and the Jones Acts. If you qualify, the ferry owner or your employer may pay you for damages such as medical expenses, lost wages, rehabilitation expenses, reduced earning capacity, physical pain, and mental anguish. The Jones Act is a fault-based compensation system, meaning negligence must have occurred in order for you to recover damages. If you are a passenger who has been injured in a ferry accident, you may be able to recover compensation in a personal injury lawsuit. An attorney can investigate your case. Dispatch investigators gather account from witnesses and takes pictures in order to gather evidence to increase your chances of a favorable case outcome. And then next about Houston tanker accident lawyer. A large ship that transports liquids, gases, and fluid is known as a tanker. The majority of tankers haul oil or petroleum products such as petroleum, crude oil, liquefied natural gas, and liquefied petroleum. Due to the fact that tankers carry massive amounts of explosive, flammable, and toxic substances, accident can lead to a serious tanker injuries or even the deaths for a workers. If you have been injured or lost a loved one in a tanker accident, you should consult the ship accident lawyers. We have years of experience representing individuals in cases involving tanker injuries and may be able to help you recover compensation. And then about types of tanker accident. Although tanker accident may arise for various reasons, negligent behavior is almost always the cause. Since operating and navigating the ship requires a great deal of skill and experience, a captain may be held responsible for an accident because they were intoxicated, distracted, untrained, or inexperienced. In addition to captain negligence, tanker accident may arise due to faulty equipment, chemical leaks for storage, or malfunctioning electrical and short circuits. And then about common tanker injuries. Tanker accident can prompt a wide array of injuries for workers. In the worst case scenario, workers may even lose their lives. Some of the most common tanker injuries we see at the law firm species include broken bones, head injuries, back injuries, leg and knee injuries, burns, smoke or toxic fumes inhalation, amputation, drowning, hypothermia. And then about legal option for victim of tanker accident. If you work as a seaman on a tanker ship, you should understand that you are protected by the Jones Act, a maritime law that protects seamen who sustain injuries at work that are caused by negligence. In the event that you are able to prove your employer's negligence action contributes to your injury, you have the right to file a claim that may help you secure compensation for damages such as medical bills, lost wages, lost future earnings, physical pain, mental anguish. If you have lost a loved one in a tanker accident, you may also be covered by the Jones Act and be able to secure a settlement. Since the Jones Act is complex and you must prove negligence in order to recover compensation, it's essential to contact an experienced ship accident attorney as soon as you have been injured or lose a loved one in a tanker accident. And then about the responsibility of ferry boat captain and owner. It's crucial to understand that the captain and owner of ferry boats are liable for providing their passenger with a safe method of transportation, and that they must comply with U.S. Coast Guard safety regulation. This regulation requires them to ensure that their boats and equipment are inspected regularly. Preventable measures are taken to prevent overboard falls. There are enough seamen on board and the number of passengers on the ferry are within the legal limits. Ferry boats are also obligated to carry flotation devices for passengers and crew members so that proper precaution can be taken in the event of an emergency. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give like, comment, and subscribe.